Hi, today I wanted to show you a concealed subwoofer installation that we just finished on this Audi S6. With this system, we used a JL Audio 12W7 subwoofer and their HD 750 watt amplifier. The goal with this installation was to keep the look as clean as possible and give the best sound quality possible inside the car while minimizing any kind of rattles in the trunk. Let me show you what we did. Looking into the trunk, it's a little hard to tell what's actually changed. We built a custom cover panel that hides all the work we did, even putting a 3D printed Audi logo on the center of it to give it a factory look. Behind the cover panel, you can actually see the subwoofer enclosure as well as the amplifier, all mounted to a 1-inch baffle board that seals the opening between the trunk and the car. This forces all the sound forward from the subwoofer without losing any of the pressure into the trunk and also creating rattles in the trunk panels or deck lid. In the back seat, you can see we have the center pass-through folded down. And you can see the JL W7 woofer there firing right between the seats. You can close this center piece back up. You also can fold all the other seats down, and you can see our baffle sealing the subwoofer off. And with this system being run all off the factory electronics, we install a base level control knob so that you can adjust the subwoofer level for your desired listing. If you have a car that you'd like to add more bass to in a tasteful way, even if you came with the premium sound system like this car here, give us a call. Let's see what we can do for you. Thanks for watching.